An earthquake with a preliminary magnitude of 6.7 hit Japan's northeastern region on Friday, prompting a tsunami advisory for waves up to 1 meter, 39-inch, high from the Japan Meteorological Agency. The United States issued new sanctions targeting Venezuela, demonstrating the ongoing impact of U.S. sanctions on Venezuela. The actions impose curbs on 3 nephews of President Nicolas Maduro's wife, as well as 6 crude oil tankers and shipping companies linked to them. SpaceX launches 29 Starlink satellites. SpaceX marked another milestone in its global broadband expansion with the successful launch of 29 Starlink satellites aboard a Falcon 9 rocket from Space Launch Complex 40 at Cape Canaveral Space Force Station. FIFA has been pushed to stop selling World Cup tickets after it was discovered that the most devoted supporters of certain nations were having to pay extortionate rates for them, with the cheapest final ticket costing more than £3,000.